Hello friends, welcome to Programming with Rakesh. Arrays are very important in web development, and on daily basis if you are a developer you have to use arrays. So understanding how arrays works and the ways how you can create array is very important. In this video I am going to share 5 different ways how you can create an array. So let us start this video. The first way to create an array is the array literal way. So the basic syntax for creating an array literal, if you can see here, is the square brackets. So I have declared an array. Let array1 equal to 1 2 3 hello and true. So here you can see the array consists of 5 different elements. 1 2 3 are number, hello is a string, and true is a boolean. So this is the very basic way to create an array. The second way to create an array is the array constructor. So using array constructor, what we can use the new keyword. So we can declare an array by using let array2 equal to new array 5 or new array 1 2 3. But there is a difference. If we specify only one value in that using new array 5, so it actually creates an array of 5 empty elements. So you just need to keep this in your mind. The third way to create an array is using the from method. So we can use array.from. So suppose we have already a string. Let us say we have a string hello and we want to create an array out of hello. So what we will do, we will write array from hello. All right, so it will create a new array with HELLO as the elements of that array. Same way, if we already have a array 1 2 3 and we want to create a new array based out of this 1 2 3, we can use array from 1 2 3 and it will create a new array. Coming to the next one, the fourth way to create an array is using the spread operator. You can see the spread operator have three dots. So if we have an array 1 and we want to create a copy of this array, we can just put it inside the square brackets and use array 1. So what it will do, it will create a copy of array 1. Same way we can create another array using the spread operator hello. So it will create an array of characters with elements HELLO. And finally, moving to the fifth way to create an array is the fill method. So using fill method, we can use new array element 5 dot fill. So now it will create an array with 5 elements and having the value of 0. So friends, these are the 5 different ways to create an array. I hope this video is clear to you. And if that's correct, do subscribe my channel, share this video with all your developer friends, and let us meet in the next video.